In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add grid lines, columns, and rows in Canva. If you've ever struggled to keep elements perfectly aligned or to build consistent layouts, grids and guides will save you a ton of time and make your designs look polished and intentional. Start by opening your design in Canva. With your project on the screen, go to File in the top left corner. Then choose View Settings and click Add Guides. This is where Canva gives you quick presets if you want a fast layout. You'll see options like 12 columns, 6 columns, or a simple 3x3 grams grid. Presets are great for common layouts, especially if you are working on web or social designs and need a consistent structure without much setup. If you want full control, stay in the Add Guides panel and switch to the Custom tab. Here you can set the exact number of rows and columns. Define the gutter, which is the spacing between columns and rows, and add margins around the edges of your design. Think of gutters as breathing room between sections, helping text blocks, images, and buttons avoid crowding each other. Margins keep important content away from the edges, so nothing looks cramped or gets cut off when exported or printed. As you adjust these numbers, you'll see the guides update on the canvas, so you can dial in the layout that fits your content. Next, turn on rulers so you can place guides exactly where you want them. Go back to File, choose View Settings and select Show Rulers and Guides. Horizontal and vertical rulers will appear along the top and left of your canvas. Click and drag from a ruler into your design to add a guideline wherever you need it. This is perfect for aligning a logo, centering a headline, or matching spacing across multiple pages. You can drag the guide to reposition it until it lines up with your elements. By default, guides are locked, which helps prevent accidental shifts as you design. If you need to move a guide, open the same View Settings menu and toggle the lock off. Adjust your guide positions, then lock them again so they stay put while you work. This small habit keeps your layout stable and reduces mistakes. When you are done with your layout or want to start fresh, go back to File, open View Settings and click Clear Guides. Your canvas will return to a clean slate ready for your next design. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.